Life story of Boenjamin Setiawan, the founder of Kalbe Farma, Indonesia's largest listed pharmaceutical company. A well-known name in Indonesia's pharmaceutical sector was Boenjamin Setiawan. Boenjamin, who was born in Tegal in 1933, is renowned for having founded Kalbe Farma, one of the biggest pharmaceutical firms in Southeast Asia. On April 4, 2023, he passed away at the age of 90. Boenjamin studied pharmacology and pharmacokinetics in college. He graduated from the Universitas Indonesia with a medical degree and from the University of California, San Francisco, with a PhD in pharmacology. Boenjamin returned to Indonesia in 1961 after completing his education in the United States and started looking for funds to conduct research on herbal treatments for diabetes and hypertension. He asked Vim Kelona, the head of the prosperous pharmaceutical business PT Dupa at the time, for a Rp 30 million loan. Kelona insisted that Boenjamin launch a pharmaceutical business, and as a result, Kalbe Farma was established. Due to a lack of funding in its early years, the company had trouble selling its products. Bioplacentin, the company's initial item, contained placenta extract and neomycin sulfate and was intended for use on exterior wounds, particularly burns. The company was founded by Boenjamin, his brother Ko Lip Keng, a physician himself, together with their friends Jan Tan, a pharmacology expert, and another brother, Ko Lip Swan. They began in a little shop that Ko's patient owned in North Jakarta. Despite the early difficulties, the company's products became well-liked since they were less expensive than imported medicines, and Boenjamin, standing as a doctor, assisted in his promotion of the goods. With continuing growth and success, Kalbe Farma finally became one of the biggest healthcare organizations in Southeast Asia, employing 17,000 people and having a market value of Rp 60.7 trillion. Boenjamin had several challenges during his life, yet he never lost his will to succeed. Due to his financial struggles, he had to sell his car in order to keep the business going. Yet, he persisted and eventually succeeded in making Kalbe Farma a success. Together with his commercial success, Boenjamin also engaged in charitable work. To raise the standard of living of Indonesians, he founded the Boenjamin Setiawan Foundation, which prioritizes education and health. The organization has funded medical research as well as given student scholarships. Boenjamin was a supporter of education as well because he thought Indonesia's development depended on it. He presided over the Education Committee of the Indonesian Chamber of Commerce and Industry and was a member of the National Education Council, CADEN. He believed that the commercial sector had a responsibility to fund education since it was so important in the fight against poverty. Boenjamin received recognition for his charity and services to the pharmaceutical business. Several accolades and medals were given to him, including the Bintang Mahaputra Utama, the highest civilian award in Indonesia, and the Indonesia Pharmaceutical Association's Lifetime Achievement Award. Despite his success, Boenjamin never lost sight of his roots and remained modest. He was well known for living simply and was frequently spotted riding his bicycle to work. According to him, success should be judged by the difference one makes in the world rather than by how much money one has. Boenjamin Setiawan was a wonderful person who made important contributions to both the community and the pharmaceutical sector. In addition to founding Kalbe Farma, which grew to become one of Southeast Asia's major healthcare organizations, he also started the Boenjamin Setiawan Foundation to give back to the neighborhood by sponsoring different cultural, educational, and health-related endeavors and offering scholarships. Boenjamin held a strong belief in the value of education and the part it plays in forming both people and society. As a result, the foundation offers scholarships to kids from disadvantaged backgrounds so they can pursue their education and realize their full potential. The organization additionally supports a number of health activities, including funding medical research and establishing healthcare facilities in rural areas. Furthermore, it backs cultural projects that advance and safeguard Indonesia's rich cultural legacy. Boenjamin held that maintaining cultural heritage is key to fostering national unity and that a strong cultural identity is essential to a nation's progress. Beyond the foundation and the pharmaceutical sector, Boenjamin left a lasting legacy. He served as an inspiration for many young businesspeople and provided an example of how perseverance, hard effort, and creativity are essential to success. For many years to come, his contributions to the neighborhood and society at large will be recognized. The loss of Boenjamin Setiawan to Indonesia, the pharmaceutical sector, and society is immense. Yet, his efforts and legacy will continue to motivate younger generations to pursue excellence and have a good influence on society. Thank you for joining us today.